In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney for epic AI art. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along and start creating beautiful images right away. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This just gives us a straightforward way to find the official site without memorizing any URLs. In the search bar, type Midjourney and hit enter. You should see the official Midjourney website at the top of the results. Click that result to go straight to the homepage. If you want to be extra careful, make sure the address you land on is the official Midjourney domain before you proceed. Once you're on the site, look for the prompt box. This is where the magic happens. Think of your prompt as a detailed description for the kind of image you want. You can be artistic and specific about mood, materials, and style. For example, you might try something like rusted moonlight over porcelain forest, acrylic, surreal imaginary fantasy, stylized nature, XP15, stylized equals 30. Notice how that mixes subject, medium, and vibe with a couple of parameters. You can adjust those numbers later, so don't worry if you're not sure yet. Before generating, open the settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon and lets you control the image format and creativity. Change the aspect ratio to 16:9. That widescreen shape is perfect for wallpapers, presentations, or video backgrounds, and it gives your compositions a cinematic feel. Back in your prompt, add the word highlight. A small addition like this helps emphasize lighting and focal points, guiding the model toward images with strong contrast and visual interest. You can place it near the elements you want to stand out. Next, increase the stylization to 100 in the settings. Stylization affects how strongly Midjourney leans into artistic interpretation. A higher value usually produces bolder, more imaginative results, while a lower value keeps things closer to your literal description. If you want more control and cleaner details, you can always dial it back later. When everything looks good, click Submit. The system will generate a set of images based on your prompt and settings. Give it a moment to process. As the results appear, study what worked, the color palette, the composition, and how the lighting responds to your highlight cue. If one image is close to perfect, you can refine your prompt with small tweaks, adjust stylization or aspect ratio, and run it again for even better outcomes. That's it. Simple steps to create epic AI art with Midjourney. Keep experimenting, and you'll quickly develop a style that feels uniquely yours.